Thursday, and we didn't think we had anything to do today for work until an emergency repair. Until we were called on an emergency repair at Front Street. You know what specific building it is? Yeah, but
it's definitely a new one that we didn't do before.
So it's a new building.
Hair buzz.
Is that a hair buzz? At a barber shop, I believe.
Yeah, we've never done that.
Yeah, we've never been on this one before. We were just called out, so we will see you guys there. Hair buzz at the emergency repair. There's a leak on a sprinkler and next to a vent. Just a quickie, you know how quickies go. They go pretty quick. So what roof is this gonna be? What roof is it?
I got my $100
Your $100 shorts? Damn, dude. He said I got one pair of shorts and they're $1 million bucks. God.
Springy.
Jumping roofs.
Alright,
So this is...
gotta figure it out.
Okay, so the fucking leak, I can tell you this right now. Leak's right here. Yo. I'll tell you why. Where's that?
Wireless surround device.
See, when you have holes and cracks, kind of like where you see right here, you have the potential to get water in those, especially when it's, when it's raining. Right, Dad?
Right.
So, pretty much, we're the guys that comes out and fix those leaks for you. The TPO roofs are very blinding. Yeah, I don't like white roof. White roof bad. I'm gonna put this thing on while we're going down.
Spinny.
In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Ball shot. He's working on the ladder. He ain't working on the ladder, he's working on the ladder.
Oh shit! Gotta grab the red handle.
Hey, grab that red handle. One and done. We're going home. What are you gonna do with the rest of your day?